Goes where he goes on. Yes.
It's a heck of a place to stop. I think he's coasting.
As soon as you get your nose over, you'll see what he's talking about.
Yeah.
See the other way. Okay, he's the other way.
Piece of cake.
Yeah.
Do you have cake? I'm hungry. Yum. Alright, you ready?
Yep. See how it is?
Where's the road?
You're on it. Like I said, straight down.
Straight?
Yeah. Straight down. Get off the road. Let her go.
Get off the brake?
Yep. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. There you go. Now, start letting the thing ass ain't come sideways, then we're screwed. That's why you let off the brake.
I wasn't looking at you!
That's why I said get off the brake.